This Italian espresso mug cake is soft, chocolatey, and infused with deep coffee flavor, the kind of dessert that feels elegant, but takes just minutes to make. The best part? No oven, no fancy tools, just one mug, a spoon, and your microwave. It's pure Italian indulgence made effortlessly at home. Let's get started. In a large microwave-safe mug, add a quarter cup of all-purpose flour. This gives your cake that perfect soft crumb. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of espresso powder for that bold coffee flavor, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt to balance it all. Whisk everything together until smooth. Make sure there are no dry spots. This helps the cake rise evenly and keeps the texture light. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of milk. Any kind of milk works here. 1.5 tablespoons of oil, 1/8 teaspoon of almond extract, and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. For that signature Italian aroma, add half a teaspoon of coffee or amaretto syrup. Stir it until glossy and lump-free. Make sure there are no lumps of flour hiding at the bottom or corners of the mug. A smooth batter gives you that perfect, soft cake texture after microwaving. Fold in a tablespoon of dark chocolate chunks. They'll melt into rich pockets of chocolate throughout your cake. Microwave on high for 75 to 85 seconds, until the top looks just set, but still slightly moist in the center. Let it cool for a minute while you make the cream topping. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of mascarpone cheese, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, and a splash of milk. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Top your warm cake with a spoonful of the chilled cream, then dust lightly with cocoa or espresso powder. That final touch gives it that Italian cafe flair, rich, silky, and aromatic. Want to make it extra special? Add a drizzle of espresso syrup or a few chocolate shavings on top. And there you have it. A warm, luxurious Italian espresso mug cake that tastes like a trip to Rome in under 2 minutes. The perfect single-serve treat for your late-night coffee cravings. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.